Lexar Play 8 terabytes SSD Real review. 212 games on PS5 Pro and still 3 terabytes free. Actual proof. Ever had that Sunday night panic when you want to download the new 150 gigabytes game and your PS5 laughs at you with 47 gigabytes free? I did. Stared at the storage full screen for 10 minutes like it personally insulted my bloodline. One time I actually deleted Cold War to make space for Helldivers 2. Drop guilty if you've lived this nightmare. That gut-twisting feeling when every new release means deleting an old favorite. The quiet rage of managed storage becoming your most used app. Imagine never seeing that screen again, never choosing between games, never waiting overnight to move stuff from external, just pure, stupid freedom. Stay with me 30 more seconds. Then the Lexar Play 8 terabytes SSD showed up and ended the war. 8 full terabytes of Gen 4 speed that actually hits 7,350 megabytes per second read and never throttles. Pre-installed Heatsink that keeps it under 62 degrees Celsius even when you're dumping 2 terabytes of games at once. Perfect PS5 Pro fit with zero modification and sustained writes so fast you can move your entire library overnight while you sleep. One dad almost missed the new Call of Duty launch because he was busy deleting games for his kids, slapped in the Lexar Play 8 terabytes at 2 a.m., woke up to 212 titles installed and 3.1 terabytes still free, and just whispered, "I'm never deleting anything again." That's the moment it clicks. You're not buying storage. You're buying the end of storage anxiety forever. Keep watching for the one setting that makes it even faster. Now my PS5 feels infinite. Direct storage games load in 2 seconds. 8K raw video exports on my desktop finish while I make coffee. And I haven't seen storage full since 2024. A YouTuber with 300K subs says it's the only 8 TB drive that sustains 6,500 megabytes per second writes for over 2 terabytes. Perfect for creators. Another reviewer with 3 household PS5s bought one for each and ended the daily, who has to delete what fights forever. Thousands of us are living the install everything and forget life. Yeah, it's big money. But when you realize you'll never delete another game while your friends are still playing storage Tetris, that too expensive voice gets real quiet, real fast. See why we all sound slightly smug about it. Which would hit harder for you? Never deleting a game again or watching your friends suffer while you have 3 terabytes free? Comment 8 terabytes me if you're done with storage anxiety. Stock of the Lexar Play 8 terabytes SSD is legitimately disappearing everywhere. Every time it drops below $600, the internet eats them alive. Join the thousands of PS5 Pro owners, creators, and parents who installed it and instantly forgot storage was ever a thing. Don't wait for the next storage full meltdown on launch night. Click the link below right now, grab yours before they're gone again, and come back here to comment "never deleting" when you realize you finally won. Your future self is already installing everything. Go make it happen.